We all want to leave a mark in this world, but in nature's greatest wonders, making a difference can mean not making a mark at all. It's a simple way on the individual level to combat Earth's degradation. The advice when hiking or camping is leave no trace. LNT. Ask any Boy Scout, Girl Scout what LNT stands for. They know. The idea dates back to 1987, a pamphlet from the U.S. Forest Service. The effort took a formal turn in 1993 when land management agencies, along with NGOs and members of the outdoor industry, convened in Washington, D.C. for a summit. Leave No Trace, Inc. was born and incorporated in 1994. The idea is simple enough, and it makes it possible for each of us to have an impact. When in the wilderness, or the backcountry, or a state or federal park, leave things exactly as you found them. The next hiker or camper should not even be able to tell you were there. Seemingly innocent acts can violate LNT. For instance, tossing a coin into the Morning Glory pool at Yellowstone. Visitors have been doing it forever. It's good luck. And hey, it's one coin. As they piled up, the coins likely clogged the beautiful blue pool's natural heat sources, explains the Smithsonian, eventually cooling down the water, allowing new microorganisms to come in and thrive, and change the natural wonder into a yellow-green color instead. On the LNT front, experts also warn about geolocations on social media, plus geocachers, a kind of high-tech treasure hunter. Don't stash weatherproof containers in the woods, they say, and then send fellow hunters tromping all over the forest to find them. Same idea applies in state lands, too. In all, there are 7 LNT principles for outdoor activities to keep in mind, whether you're under a canopy or you're peering into that depthless pool. Have a plan. Bring the right equipment with you to pack your trash. Carry everything out with you. Stick to designated areas. Do not cut your own path. Always camp on official sites. Dispose of waste. Know what the rules are for human waste. Leave nature there. Do not carry out rocks or wood or plants. Leave it. Consider a stove. Camp stoves are often a better choice than a campfire. Respect wildlife, give wildlife space, and shh, be quiet. Finally, be courteous. Respect other visitors' symphonic solitude. It all seems to come down to a basic principle. One minor transgression by one person doesn't seem harmful in and of itself, but what if everybody did it?